My name is John Armstrong. I'm a lecturer and fellow in the design program at Stanford, and some of the courses I teach are Designing Your Life, Designing Your Stanford, and Designing the Professional. And the content that we worked on in this workshop was a set of videos which VPTL had actually previously helped us create, which we then, throughout the course of the Teaching with Technology workshop, moved into an online blended learning format available to students on campus, the general public, as well as other departments and professionals across the university at Stanford. When we started the Teaching with Technology workshop, we had a set of completed animated videos, which we had created prior with VPTL's support. But the workshop, over the course of the few months that we were a part of the workshop, we spent that time interviewing users, understanding how we could frame those videos in the most useful way to the people we were trying to target, and then working with VPTL staff to revise and actually fit the content into an appropriate format for this platform here in a way that would hit Stanford students, but also be available and accessible to the general public. Some of the most valuable things were, first of all, working in a structured way with VPTL staff and getting concrete feedback on how our learning goals actually matched the product or platform that we were creating. That was one. Another was just the opportunity to work with other colleagues on campus and getting their feedback coming from very different perspectives than our own, because they were from different departments or had different types of projects they were working on. That was very interesting and very valuable for us. And then the third, I think, connected to the other two, was just being able to have a good balance between flexibility and creative autonomy, but within the structure of a workshop format and within the guidance of being able to have support on this specific platform and a general guideline for the scope and content of the project.